y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cannon J, and I'm back with a video. So in today's video, we're going to be dyeing my hair honey blonde. I am just going to try to lighten it again. So yeah.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
What to do is go ahead and clip off this value. Could developer.
Huh?
This ammonia colorant inside of here. Alright, I'm gonna start on the back first because when they dyed my hair, the back it took the least color. Taking I got tired of that applicator, so I put matters into my own hands. All right, y'all, I'll be back in about 25 to 30 minutes. All right, y'all, so hair freshly dyed. I just put on the little conditioner that they gave me. It took well. It definitely boosted the color that I already had. I wish it took more on the roots, but I think that's like new growth, like gotta be. So because my hair used to be like, I don't know, color all the way around, but it's kind of big deal. I'll rinse this out, and then I am going to go in with this APHOG balancing moisturizer. All right, y'all, so I wasn't able to get any footage, but I did get a couple of pics. I did try to perm out my hair. It didn't come out all the way right, but it did make my hair manageable so that I can, you know, wear it in a fro, and it was very cute and it came out nice. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye.